participant in the healing process. So the patient has a right to know what the doctor's diagnosis is, what the prescribed regimen will be for treatment, to have a say in the choice of the treatment. So parang the idea being that the doctor is not the only expert in this. The patient isn't just the recipient of the expertise, but yun, mas yung participant in the process. What else have I missed?
It's really a question of framework. For the malpractice, for example, the idea is to make it punitive and therefore preventive. Parang kapag may ganung mechanisms, mag-iingat yung mga doctors and nurses. Pero yung relationship would be immediately antagonistic. Yung isang bill, hindi ganun yung frame. Parang it has to be more, in a sense, collaborative. Pero andun yung mechanisms for transparency, accountability, and somehow parang change sa ethics ng relationship ng doctors and patients, which is, I think, more meaningful than making it punitive.
Ang question ko lang doon is whether that would be applicable for, let's say, the masses na they're just too glad to see a doctor.
They will still see a doctor.
So what I mean to say is, how it will go. Explain, this is what I'm going to do. Okay.
Pero interesting even kunyari yung mga institutes like PITA, DOH, Philippine Institute for Traditional and Alternative Healthcare, they'll say that when they do their documentation, research in communities, maraming traditional knowledge about health and healing ang komunidad. Pag sinurvey mo, hindi lang yung halamang gamot na endemic sa area, and there are many more than the 10 listed by DOH so far. Pero yung mga pamamaraan talaga ng pagpapagaling, including the DLOT, who DOH is now trying to bring into the health system, somehow encourage them to encourage pregnant women to deliver in the hospital instead of at home para mas safe. So, and kung ganun lalo na sa rural areas, I would suppose, kahit sa urban poor areas, na marami dun dayo galing sa nayo, meron either may alam pa, naalala pa, at may kakayahan na makakaalam, together with the doctor. So, baka we could explore that further.
Change channel.